Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about healthy boundaries. I know ये बहुत ही sensitive topic है, especially in a society जहाँ पे अक्सर families इतनी close knit होती हैं and where people expect you to share some personal details in your life, or where people expect कि आपको they can come over whenever they want, they can ask you for help whenever they want. It can be very tricky if you are someone who has personal boundaries and who wants people to respect those boundaries. The first thing I want to say is having a boundary does not mean you are rude, it does not mean you are mean, and it does not mean कि आप अगले बंदे को trust नहीं करते. In fact, having a boundary just means that you have a healthy relationship with yourself, you practice self-care, and that you want to have healthy relationships with others. अब सबसे पहला सवाल ये उठता है कि बाउंड्रीज हैं क्या, उनको हम डिफाइन कैसे कर सकते हैं. तो बाउंड्री कोई भी हद है जो आप अपने लिए खुद चूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल इट कैन बी अ फिजिकल बाउंड्री. कुछ लोग होते हैं, इवन चिल्ड्रन, हु डोंट लाइक पीपल हगिंग देम अ लॉट, एंड दैट्स अ फिजिकल बाउंड्री. देन देयर कैन बी अदर इमोशनल और स्पिरिचुअल बाउंड्रीज और mental boundaries. The most important thing when it comes to boundaries is कि हर कोई अपनी boundaries खुद define करता है और हर किसी को ये हक होना चाहिए. So I've noticed something that happens is, especially in childhood, when a child doesn't want to hug an adult and other people will say अरे एक hug कर दो, एक kiss दे दो, ये कर दो, वो कर दो. You're teaching the child that their boundary does not matter, and over time I feel they grow up to be adults who don't really have very fixed boundaries because over time उनकी boundaries को respect नहीं किया गया होता. But even if that is the case, as an adult you can still recognize your boundaries and you can ask for those boundaries to be respected. तो पहला स्टेप ये है कि आपने खुद अपनी बाउंड्रीज आइडेंटिफाई करनी है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वन वेरी क्लियर बाउंड्री फॉर मी इज़ आई डोंट लाइक आंसरिंग पर्सनल क्वेश्चन. नाउ दिस कैन कम फ्रॉम माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड, दिस कैन कम फ्रॉम माई सिस्टर, this can come from someone on the internet, but I feel that I don't appreciate when someone asks me or used to ask me कि शादी के बारे में क्या सोचा है, शादी क्यों नहीं हो रही. That was something that made me very uncomfortable. Now there might be someone else जिसको इस सवाल से बिल्कुल फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, and that's completely okay because उनकी boundaries मेरे से different हो सकती हैं. So it's only when you know of your own boundaries that you can convey those boundaries to other people. And why I feel it is important to convey those boundaries is because जो लोग boundaries convey नहीं करते, एक तो वो discomfort experience करते हैं बार बार. एक सवाल आपको तंग कर रहा है या आप दूसरे बंदे को communicate नहीं कर रहे that you don't appreciate this question. So every time someone asks you that question, you are made uncomfortable, and that's not something you should have to go through. The other thing it does is over time you build resentment. हमने कितनी दफ़ा सुना है that daughter-in-laws have resentment towards their mother-in-laws because they ask them personal things. And I, of course, these circumstances are very tricky, but I do think communicating that you don't appreciate being asked this question is a good way to avoid that resentment. Chale, saas bahu relationship is still tricky to deal with, but even with siblings, even with friends or colleagues, if you don't like someone commenting on your weight, let them know that you don't like them commenting on your weight. In our society these things are so common कि अक्सर लोग जब ये सवाल पूछ रहे होते हैं या ये comment करते हैं, वो realize भी नहीं करते कि वो कोई गलत बात कर रहे हैं. If a woman has 2 daughters, a colleague will probably not even think twice before saying okay अगला वाला लड़का होगा या एक और try कर लो, because those things are so normalized. But if it bothers you, please do raise your voice, because hearing the same thing over and over, हर इंसान आपको एक ही बात कर रहा है, आप 5 साल 10 साल सुन रहे हैं, that creates a lot of resentment in you. So once you have identified boundaries for yourself, just communicate them to people around you and be very direct. For example, if कोई दोस्त है जो आपके घर बिन बुलाए हफ्ते में 3 दफ़ा आ रही है, and that's not something that you appreciate, not because you are not her friend and you don't enjoy time with her, but because you might have other priorities, you might be busy with other things. Now instead of thinking in my mind कि oh हर दफ़ा आ जाती है, how annoying, just directly tell your friend that listen, I am your friend, I appreciate this relationship, lekin I cannot be someone who is constantly meeting you every single day. That is a boundary I would like to set. if the other person on the receiving end of this conversation is a rational human being with healthy response mechanisms, they will understand this. उनको शायद शुरू में ये बात समझ ना आए, because in a culture जहाँ पे ये चीज़ें हम openly कहते नहीं हैं, पहली दफ़ा ऐसी चीज़ सुनना can be difficult for someone, but over time when we start having these conversations, I think it becomes easier and easier. एक और चीज़ जो याद रखनी है is you don't have to over explain yourself. If you want to explain to someone कि hey please don't ask me this question, इससे मुझे तकलीफ़ होती है, you can, but it's not something that you owe them. Very often हम किसी को कहेंगे कोई boundary set करेंगे, for example कि don't ask me about this particular topic, and they will say oh पर हम तो we're so close, that's why we're asking, why can't I ask? The thing is, you don't owe them that answer. You've established your boundary, and now they're also an adult. It is up to them to respect that boundary, and up to them to understand why you want to create that boundary. This is not, again, ये आपकी जिम्मेदारी नहीं है कि you are feeling uncomfortable but you go out of your way to explain to others कि okay, this is why I am feeling uncomfortable. As adults, we all have to make an effort to educate ourselves on other people's emotions. Another advice I would give is to start small. You don't always have to pick up a big battle with someone every time they say something that annoys you. Just very politely tell them when they do something small, that for example एक unwanted comment आपकी appearance के बारे में, someone who is a work colleague calling you very late in the night, you don't need to make a big issue. You don't need to wait until कोई बहुत ज़्यादा resentment build up हो जाए and then you explode. If you feel आपको रात को 2 बजे your colleague is messaging you about work very often, just tell them then and there that these are not my working hours and please let's talk in the morning, or send me an email, I will look at it in the morning. But don't wait for resentment to build up in yourself. जैसे ही कोई छोटी सी चीज़ आपको लगे कि this is a problem for me, communicate it politely but directly, and hopefully the other person will understand. If people don't understand and respect boundaries, that is their problem, it is not your problem. एक और चीज़ है कि there have to be consequences when people violate your boundaries. So for example, you don't like जब आपकी वेट पे कोई कमेंट करता है, और हमारी सोसाइटी में ये इतना कॉमन है, या आपके कम्प्लेक्शन पे कोई कमेंट करता है, जिसके जो दिल में आता है वो मशवरा आपको दे के चले जाते हैं. If you don't like it, tell them once, tell them twice, tell them thrice, but the fourth time, do not interact with that person. If it's a friend, tell them very clearly, what you're doing is not good for me, it's not good for my self-esteem, and I would not like to continue this friendship. दोस्ती या कोई भी और रिश्ता हमारी ज़िंदगी में इसलिए एग्जिस्ट करता है to strengthen who we are and to add value to our lives. But if there's a friendship or any other relationship where you feel constantly कि you are under attack, your boundaries are under attack, I don't think that relationship is worth having in your life, and there have to be consequences for people who constantly break your boundaries. Of course, you can't break every relationship. If your mother, for example, comments all the time, that's not something that you can get up and say okay khuda hafiz ammi, but you can still make sure that you keep insisting कि आपकी जो boundary है वो respect की जाए. I do know of people who feel कि उनकी even mother का comment करना उनके weight पे या किसी और चीज़ पे उनको बहुत दिल को लगता है. The mother might not realize that she is hurting the child in that way, but the child is getting hurt, and it's very important to communicate that they're getting hurt. Final चीज़ मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि this is not an attack on anyone. We have all asked other people insensitive questions. हम सब कभी ना कभी दूसरों की boundaries violate करते हैं. I am guilty of this so many times that मैंने बगैर सोचे समझे किसी से कोई सवाल पूछ लिया है without realizing that this person might be hurt. So if someone points out that your question, whether unintentional, hurt them, don't take that as an attack कि इसने क्यों ऐसा मुझे कहा. It is very normal for कि आपकी intention बुरी नहीं थी लेकिन अगला बंदा फिर भी hurt हो गया, and use that as a teaching moment in your life. Use that as a lesson कि ठीक है मुझे ये सवाल या ये topic approach नहीं करना अब किसी और के साथ. And the absolute final thing is, this does not apply just to in-person interactions. I also feel boundaries are very important for social media. One thing I find very strange is when colleagues and especially bosses add me on Facebook. That's my personal space. I find that very weird. Some people might have no problem at all. So again, that's something that's very person specific. हर किसी की different boundaries हैं. Just try to assess your own boundaries, and once you have identified कि मुझे ये boundaries हैं, and of course these boundaries can evolve. For example, बहुत से लोग होते हैं वो social media पे they're very openly sharing all their pictures, and after a point they stop sharing their pictures, and that's okay. I recently saw something very funny. एक एक्ट्रेस ने पोस्ट लगाई कि आई डोंट लाइक पुटिंग अप पिक्चर्स विद माई हस्बैंड बिकॉज इट्स समथिंग सो पर्सनल, एंड सोशल मीडिया पे जिसके दिल में जो बात आती है वो कर देता है. तो नीचे कमेंट्स भरे हुए थे, लेकिन आपने शादी की तस्वीरें तो लगाई थी. सो वॉट वी रियली नीड टू रियलाइज इज कि पहली बात, हर किसी की बाउंड्रीज इवॉल्व करती हैं, बट द अदर इज जस्ट बिकॉज समवन पुट अप वन पिक्चर डज नॉट मीन दैट दे वॉन्ट टू पुट अप albums and albums as well. This is their right to choose what information they want to share and what information they don't want to share, and similarly you also have a right to choose कि आपको क्या information share करनी है और क्या information नहीं share करनी. But once someone tells you कि आपका सवाल, आपका comment या आपका कोई physical action, just be aware of other people's boundaries, respect them, and also be aware of your own boundaries and ask for them to be respected. आई होप यू गाइज फाउंड दिस वीडियो यूजफुल. आई नो ये एक बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट टॉपिक है डाइजेस्ट करने के लिए. वी कम फ्रॉम अ सोसाइटी जहाँ बाउंड्रीज़ को गलत समझा जाता है, जहाँ हम कहते हैं कि हमारे बीच तो कोई सीक्रेट्स नहीं होने चाहिए. अगर एक फैमिली है उसमें सब कुछ शेयर होना चाहिए, बट दैट इज़ नॉट ह्यूमनली पॉसिबल, एंड वेरी ऑफन दैट कॉजेज रिजेंटमेंट इन पीपल. तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप हर किसी की बारे में हर चीज़ जाने, बट वो इंसान दिल में आपको रिजेंट करे. इट्स मच बेटर दैट यू जस्ट टेक द इंफॉर्मेशन दैट दे गिव यू, and that's it, and have a healthy relationship with them. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye.